Watch this robo. The eyes are moving, the heads are turning, the hands are moving along. And this is not a video. This is a fully interactional 3D website. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how I built this entire robo animation website using Spline and some AI tools. First, if you never use a Spline, it's basically a tool that lets you generate and export the interactive 3D elements for your website. You can build a scene, character, and UI elements and then animate them and then embed to your website. The best part is you don't even need to create the animation for yourself. Spline has a community library with the thousands of ready-to-use scenes. Today we're gonna find a good animation here and then we're gonna use that in our Antigravity and make that possible. So let's do that. Okay, this is Spline and here you can see a ton of animations. You can choose anyone and there is presentation animations here, the motion animations here, the 3D animations here, and the website animations here. If you are designing the website, then this is the best place and you can choose any animation here. But there is also a different section called the community section, and this is where you can find a pure gems. And this is the community section and here you can find pure gem, and here you can see a ton of designs too, and I'm gonna be selecting a random one. I'm gonna be selecting this robo character concept and click on that. So this is the animation we gonna select. What this animation does is when you click on it and then we can move the cursor, you can see the robot is moving this eyes and around and seeing what is he doing like that. See, he's looking at the cursor and where we moving and everything, and I'm gonna be selecting this one. So after that, just scroll down and select to remix, and we are at the remix, and here we can export it. Also you can add scenes and change things here and then add text here, and there is more and more customizing options, but we just gonna leave it like that and go to export and go to code export, and here you need to select the environment you are using. So I'm gonna be using the React section, so React, and we're gonna be using this code to add this animation to our site. So first we need to make a site. You need a site to add this animation, so let's make that. Before creating any website, I need an implementation plan to copy a certain layout. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So just paste the prompt here, and this is the implementation plan prompt that will copy the screenshot of the website, and this is entirely using for entertainment purpose, remember that. And then I'm gonna be adding that screenshot. So I have added the screenshot of a website layout, and now let's gonna run it. And now it's making the implementation plan, and we're gonna copy that using here. As you can see, copy text, and we're gonna convert that into document. Let it finish first. Okay, it's completed. And now let's copy right over here and then copy a text and then convert this text into PDF file. I'm gonna be using ChatGPT to convert this file, so yeah. So we got the implementation plan, and we're gonna be using the same Google AI Studio to create the website, not Lovable. Let's try Google AI Studio. So I'm gonna be pasting the prompt. This is a prompt that let you create the website for us. Also add the implementation plan here, add file, upload, and enter. And we got the code. When we scroll down, wait, let me full screen it. So this is the website, and when we scroll down and everything looks fine. Yeah, and we scroll down. Yeah, we got a fully customized layout here, and we need some sections without images. We can fill that up later, and yeah, everything looks fine. Now let's just download this code. To download this code of this website, you can move this to GitHub, and then you can download that code in zip file there. Now we are at Antigravity to add that animations. Okay, so come over here and open the folder. The folder should be the extracted file of the zip file we downloaded from GitHub. So robo part 1 main is the extracted file, and then I'm gonna select the folder. This is the whole code we got from Google AI Studio, the website I've created. Now let's add a prompt that will audit the whole code by Antigravity. So let's paste that prompt right over here. Okay, right over here. So paste that prompt. This is a auditing prompt, and then we're gonna just send enter. Now the audit is completed. Now let's go back to the Spline to copy that code. So this is the code, and we need to copy this, and also make sure you check this environment. We're gonna be using React, so we are using React, so we're gonna be selecting React. I already copied this and created a prompt. Let's add that. So let's paste that prompt here. So this is the prompt, and we already have a hero section, right? We're gonna remove that, then add that animation to our hero section. We have the scene, and then we have added the code. Yeah, this code, and now let's just enter it, and we have completed it. Now let's see the result. Yeah, it's completed. Oh my god, see that? So this is the site, this is the animation we are talking about. And when we go to cursor, yeah, robot is seeing the cursor and it's moving its head and hands, and yeah, moving heads and hands. Okay, we have done it, guys. We have created the animation using Spline and Antigravity and our Google AI Studio. So we have completed it. When we scroll down, I have already added the animation, that's why it's only the animation is changed, right? And the section should be empty. Yeah, it is empty and everything is empty. We need some adjustment here. So I just want to show you how the animation works. I'm not gonna be editing all that, just gonna show you this much. I mean, the animation, how to add the animation, that's it. And it's really look wonderful. And yeah, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you with the next awesome video. Thank you for watching.